In this video Eazybe, we're diving into the incredible capabilities of labels and funnels within WhatsApp, made possible by the Eazybe extension. Let's explore these tools further and unlock their full potential. When you're logged into WhatsApp with Eazybe installed, locate the plus sign above to access the Add Label feature. This opens up a world of possibilities, starting with labels. Here, you have the choice between personal and shared labels. Personal labels are your private organizational tools, while shared labels streamline collaboration across your team or organization. Let's create a label called WhatsApp to group specific contacts or conversations. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly add individuals to this label, making communication and tracking a breeze. Now, let's switch gears and explore funnels. Funnels are perfect for visualizing your client's journey. By defining stages like Stage 1 and Stage 2, you can track progress and ensure a smooth transition through your sales or engagement process. With the Eazybe extension, managing your WhatsApp contacts and workflows becomes intuitive and efficient. Stay organized, enhance collaboration, and optimize your client management strategy with ease.